Echo Show, so United States.
Hello, ready for setup.
So we gotta find the QR code at the bottom of the camera. I'm gonna link Alexa to my AOSU app. Talk to Alexa.
I'm so excited. I have a question for her. Alexa, will you be my friend?
We're definitely friends, but are we besties?
Hello guys, so today we will be unboxing this camera and Echo Show. So I'm gonna make this system for my kids' bedroom, and this one would be in my working area, so I can watch the kids while I'm working. And so I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna help me unbox. So there's my cutie Umi. She just woke up and she's gonna help me, and she wants to help me unbox. So yeah, you can help if you like.
Oh, I'll open it.
Okay, you can open it.
Open this.
Hold it on me. Oh, this is kind of, sorry, camera's kind of wiggly. Alright, hold on, Emma. Let's get
Is
it.
that sweet potatoes?
Look. So something really cool is I got this for free from Best Buy, because I bought a TV, and it came with this Echo Show. It's really cool. Careful now, don't drop
What's
it.
this?
It's a camera.
The camera to watch the kids?
While I'm working, I can watch you guys.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So, whoa, cool, huh? Look at this, Naomi.
What's that?
This is the Echo Show.
You can put a shoes on?
No, it's not for sure, Naomi. It's called Echo Show. So it comes with a manual.
Whoa! I thought you can put shoes.
Naomi, be careful with that. Comes with another.
And it's stretching.
Hey, don't lose it, Naomi. Get it.
Whoa!
Comes with the charger.
Oh man, where you go?
So that's what the Echo Show came with.
Hey!
And then, so this camera came with a camera, an instruction, a charger. And this is the whole system. So let's look at the menu. So the camera, you need to download the app. It's called the AOSU app, and then you need to download the Alexa app as well. Amazon Alexa. Oh, there, the Alexa is waking up. Go get my iPad downstairs, Naomi. So I'm going to try to connect it to my iPad. Echo Show, so United States.
Hello, ready for setup.
Okay, so I'm going to connect it. I'm going to connect it to the internet.
Oh.
So now it's connecting. So let's try to connect it to. I'm gonna try to connect it to my iPad. So Alexa, Amazon, Alexa. So it's Amazon Alexa. And then let's look for AOSU app. I don't know if we have it in iPad. I spelled it wrong. There you go. So that's the app. Try to get it. Okay, so I'm gonna input my email address on the Echo Show. I set up my.
Oh, that thing is gonna only be in our room now. Mommy's gonna say.
So it's loading right now. So let's open the
That's a
AOSU app.
That's a
AOSU.
selfie.
So let's make it a dual screen. Put it together.
I'm gonna close the. Did you woke up guys early for
Oh,
this?
screen view is not supported. So continue.
Yeah, wearing underpants for next week. Underpants? What's underpants? What's an underpants? The things that I wear in the cruise. That's what they wear.
So this is not our address. Hold on, let me just set up the address because it's wrong. So I set up the address. And what is this? This is gonna be in the bedroom.
Our room. Say our room, Mommy.
Hold on. Custom. So I'm gonna try to make it custom. I put the kids' bedroom. Kids' room.
To watch them.
Okay, so give this device a name. I'm just gonna put
What's that one for?
Okay, it's naming your device. So please choose clock or photo display. So we can also put reason photos. Let's try the photos.
Naomi, you want to take a nap in the living room? No. Why?
So there's an album, recent. Wow, there's a lot of pictures here. I don't know which this. Oh, that's cool. It already collected all your pictures. So let's see. Oh, I have a lot of photos. So let's see your photos. I'm gonna choose your photos and
remember the
save.
camera, Mom? Naomi was standing on the edge of my bed.
So it says your device updates available. So let's try to download and install it. It says it takes 10 minutes.
Updating this device.
This could take up 10 minutes or more. Do not unplug. So it's actually pretty fast. It's already at 61%. So let's set up the login for the AOSU app. AOSU, I don't know how to read that, but so I'm gonna input my email. So let's pause it for that. I'm gonna log in. Country United States. So log in. Oh, it means you need to create an account. Hold on. Actually logged in, so it's wrong. I need to. And now, so I'm gonna create an account. So I'm gonna input all those stuff, and I'll show you when it's done. So here you're gonna set up your password. So I'm gonna type the password. So I finished typing the password. So let's put it down and then continue. So you're gonna input your email address. So I'm gonna check my email right now. It says check your email and continue. Okay, so I'm gonna try to check my email. The Alexa said it's gonna power off twice after setting up, so it's powering off right now. So it's updating. And this one is logging in and save password. So there's the model. You gotta pick the model. Pick the model. This is the one I got, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this is the model that I got. Okay. So we gotta find the QR code at the bottom of the camera. So let's scan it. Oh, where's the camera? Here we go. so it says turn on the camera. Please use the original 5 volts. And then status light is always on. So hit continue. It's updating. I'm gonna continue this. It says press, hold, and sync on the back of the device for more than 5 seconds until it beeps. Okay, so press and hold the sync. Okay, go back. So I'm gonna press this. I don't know if you can see it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. Continue. So let's allow. I already set up the password. Save the password. I heard the beep sound. Please place the QR code in front of the camera and keep a distance. So I'm gonna put the QR code. So sorry, that's wrong. So you need to place this thing in front of the QR code, and
the camera is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
So while doing that, the echo is also loading right now. Okay, I hear the beep sound. Okay.
Save settings successfully.
Oh, this is like rotating while I'm doing this. Alright, so this one is connected. So, there you go. This one is like twirling around. Okay, please follow the guide installation setup. So I'm going to continue. Press continue. There is motion in the camera. Start test. Name the device. Okay, start the set. Okay, I'm going to name the device custom. I'm going to put a kids room. Okay, and save it. And continue. Storage mode. Alright. Start. Okay, I'm going to skip that for now. Okay, choose the right location to mount. So, this is kind of blurry. Sorry. So, let's start the set. Okay. Place on the desktop. Choose the position. Okay, I'm just going to place in the desktop. And then suggested height. Right. Okay. You can read that. Let's continue. Suggested layout. Please ensure to avoid overexposure. Alright, continue. Done. Okay, share this device. Okay, I'm not going to do that for now. Skip that for now. Okay, so there's a firmware update, so let's do that. So while that is loading, I'll wait for the echo. I mean for the echo show.
I'm back. Let's continue.
Alright, so echo show is back. So Echo Show can help you monitor your home. Allow members of your household to live stream in this Echo Show anytime, anywhere through the Alexa app. This one is already like turning around. Okay, so it says added successfully in the back, so it's done. Alright. Okay. So, see it. As you can see, this Echo Show is already done. So let's face it over there. My kid's over there. Let's play it. So let's set up the Echo Show. Echo Show can help you monitor your home. So trigger routines. Okay, enable. All set. Echo will now appear as a camera in your Alexa app. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So So let's see what's happening in the AOSU app. There you go. So it's connected. Oh, what's the feedback? I don't know.
Eat the poison pills. Eat the poison.
Oh, thanks.
This device.
Oh, there's a feedback. So there. You can see it says 520, which is about right. Yeah, it's right. 72 degrees.
Hi there. Welcome to your new Echo Show. I'm excited to show you a few things that you may not have tried yet. Let's get started. I can give you directions and status updates for public transit. For example, you can search for TV shows and movies. Try asking me to find top free movies.
Alexa, find top free movies.
Here you go.
Oh, cool. Nice. Hi Alexa, show me the kids' room.
I can't show you the camera from the same device, but you can view it from the Alexa app or another Echo Show.
This is how you connect this camera with Alexa. So go in settings, and then go to work with, and then Amazon Alexa. Sign in with Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna sign in with Amazon. Even better, that's better. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Okay, so I created a voice ID. Alright. I'm gonna link Alexa. I'm gonna link Alexa to my AOSU app. So it says here link, as you can see. So it's binding right now. Already linked to. Okay, now you can control Alexa enabled device with an Amazon Alexa speaker such as Alexa turn on light. Okay, so let's try. Alexa, show me the kids' room.
Okay.
There you go. See, it's connected. Hey guys, I can see you. The controls of the Echo Show. So this one is the mic or camera on and off, and then this one is the volume down, the volume up, and then this one is for the camera shutter on and off. See, as you can see, if I turn that on, camera cover closed, and camera, and then these, I think this is the microphone. I think there's a bunch of things you can try on your Echo Show. And then you can change your settings. You just say, Alexa, show settings. So it will show the settings. Alexa, show settings.
Here's settings.
So there. Hey Google, talk to Alexa.
Hey Alexa, what's up?
Here's the news. From ABC News.
Okay Google, talk to Alexa.
Echo, it's a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
Okay Google, talk to Alexa.
I'm so excited. I have a question for her. Alexa, Will you be my friend?
We're definitely friends. But are we besties? To see how well you know me, just say, quiz me, about you.
Video is